Recording progress.
Okay, so 1 second. Here we can, use more functions on in the particular, in this product. Yeah, let me say like this. On this product, we can use, we can convert on by, like a built-in method. Like this upper, if you want to change the format, like capital letters, we want to make it a capital letter, then we can change it. So capital and lower, and this function will work. However, we can, we will learn a modification as well. Yeah, how we can modify it. Modify is simple. We can reinitialize it.
If you do it, it's going to be all words.
Yeah, that's something built-in functionality, which is, converting, which where time of the, visualization, it is converting. Our real value will not be changed. As we can see how we can test it, the real value change. So we can just, we can just test again. If I'm using a printed function, so that is, have a same case. But only visualization can be changed by using this upper functions. We can use a upper and lower function. Lower function, you can see here, it is converting in a lower as well. Okay.
You got it.
Let's create some white space initially. Okay. So initially space can be removed, like one of the, functionalities. Another function that is, like a strip. Say built-in function, you might include the open and close bracket, and we can see here how this look like. Well, let me say without strips. Let me display first without a strip, so that we can see the difference. You can see here that white space is included here.
Yeah.
But by strip, it doesn't means it will remove all the space, because in the between the two words there is a space that is not, can be removed. That cannot be removed. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Only initialization can mind it. There is, some functionalities, like lower, our case. So these all part we are discussing today is related to the string. Okay. So let me, let me do the replacing, because search we have done conversion of, lower and upper cases. We are, like a conversion in the sense of only output which we are displaying, not real value we are not changing in upper or lower case.
Okay.
And white space from beginning, Yeah, white space from beginning we are removing. Now we can replace the values. Okay, the replacement is also supported. Yes, Anva.
So you said it just removes the spaces in front, not in the between.
Yes,
Okay.
say beginnings. If I have a white space in beginning, that can be removed. If it's a space is between the characters, that cannot be.
What if it's in the back, like after laptop?
Okay. You are talking about the last details. You want to say here.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me check 1 second. Last one. Okay, 1 minute. Last one we can check it. No. 1 second. Let me take a 1 second. How we will check it? Okay, we can print one more value over there so that we can just test it. I was thinking how can I test it? So I think we can test it like this. Test. Let me write something here. So will include, yeah, in the end of the like a spaces also it is removing. Means beginning and ending also it's like a excluding those white spaces over.
Okay.
Yeah. Let us say like a replacing. So if I say like this is a like I'm taking a wrong keyword. So print product we can see our real value and then we can check by replacing. So we need to like a replace a value. That means we will use here replace command and we are trying to replace a t, but t we have used twice. Okay, and then I want to make it a L. But in this case, yeah, the like a T is repeated, so this will take care of all the things. Let me take something else here. Let me take something else. I can take a. Okay, that will be better because A is not. Sorry, A is also like a repeated. Let B is not repeated. Okay, so we are making a B, and if I say here this is like a laptop, converted it to laptop. So then we can replace any characters over there.
Got it.
Okay. Now there is another function which is like a is used to like if you have any characters, so you can convert your string in a array. Let's suppose, let me say this is laptop. Okay, so here what we have like a option, we have an option of either we can say white space or either we can say let me say something like there is some log. Let us suppose there is some log hash sign I'm taking, and you want to convert this all the keywords in a like in an array. So we can convert it by a array. let me say result equal to product dot split function, and split function we can pass a hash sign here. Sorry, print, and let us say result. So you can see all the value has converted in a square bracket, and that means array.
Got it.
Got it. Yeah, yeah. 1 minute. 1 minute. I Okay, yeah. So, we are, splitting. Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, split functions, we are doing. So by the help of hash sign, we can any characters, so which we need to specify in a like a split function. Whether we have a like a hash sign or it may be anything, we can use it.
Can you split by blank space?
It is just like a, you can say split is a like a built-in function.
Yeah.
So if you want to like a convert this data, let me think. I think it will work like if you have a white space, it will work in a white space also. That will convert according to the whites. Yeah, that's it. We're working white with the white space as well. Yeah. Okay, Anubhav. So if you are, you can revise all the things. How I have taken like a most of the code I have taken a backup. I will share this code as well in your like a drive folder as well as a recording. 1 second, please. So test 4.3 by I'm taking that. So from the tomorrow, I will start to give you assignment. Okay, if you are comfortable.
Okay.
Yeah. So the assignment means what we will give us. We will give us some exercise, like a. It may be anything like manipulating any string, reading string, displaying string, by a for loop or conditions. So that means something. There will be a some like a process which should be executed, which can give us some meaningful output. So this type of exercise I will like expect in your assignment. So you can just practice because this is your beginning. So you can just practice. You just try to write the code, try to understand how data types are working and variables. And tomorrow I will give you one assignment after your class. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Anubhav. And see you tomorrow.